this to nourish. I know say they use whitening cream, but make this one they do in own job. When your rubber band has reached its elastic limit, what does that rubber band do? It breaks. Many of us, our skin are broken. So please, let some people come to me and tell me, oh, I'm using whitening. I used to look at them, I'm like, with all the knowledge I have now about skincare, I'll be using white. You know, if I'm not a fair person, do you know how many whitening creams it will take me to maintain this shade? I know they take glutathione injection. Don't be say I don't want to do them. I know say I go do them, but I go do them when I'm old. There's time for everything. I've never done any facials on my skin before. I know that I will still do it. I don't want to start too early. But by the time you start doing all these things too early, your skin gets tired. People look at me, they say I'm bleaching. You only look like someone that is bleaching. People when they bleach, you will not know. You will know. Someone that is bleaching their skin, it does not hide. Even camera, you will know. And the second ingredient in whitening creams is mercury. That one, now sharp high action. You see mercury? Many people don't know. Buy a cream. Make sure you Google is mercury in this cream, because there are a lot of creams that that has been bound because of mercury. Pali go the demo, Aniza go demo. People will know, yeah, it's working for me. It's working for me. Okay, continue. But people that have sense, they know how they use it. So people that have sense, maybe they carry that pali go like this, they use them once or twice a week. Or when they know say they don't, they get one dark spot, they go carry and put them chum. Use that simple cream, bam. That's what we call buffer. Buffer it out. Because by the time you use all these things too much, mercury destroys the liver. It destroys the kidney. Another ingredient is hydroquinone. You see this hydroquinone that we are prescribing to people now. Before they say it's bad though. It's bad though. Now they said okay, if it's prescribed by a dermatologist, because you're not supposed to use hydroquinone product for more than 3 to 6 months. Okay, higher 6 months. And even that 6 months, you space it out. Whenever I give anybody hydroquinone product or treatment, I tell them 2 times a week, 3 times a week, with enough moisturizer, with enough oil. After you reach 3 months and that thing has cleared, you just drop your hydroquinone, maintain the results. Some people will still be going back to the hydroquinone because of this hydroquinone made me lighter. I want to go back to it. That is how you guys, you abuse steroid, you abuse visitor cream, you abuse from part A, it's making you like, before you know it, you now start seeing bad effects. You now say, oh, these things are bad. They are not bad. You don't know how to use them properly. By the time you overuse them, it's going to weaken your skin and cause stretch marks. Now, over exfoliation. By the time you are over exfoliating your skin, it is very bad. Even with BHA, AHA, sugar scrubs, some safe alternatives you can go for when trying to brighten up. You can use alpha-arbutin. Alpha-arbutin is very, very good. It will give you a very nice shade. You can use licorice roots. You can use niacinamide. You can use vitamin T. These are very good actives you can go for. Some labels you should avoid. Follow me so that I'm teaching you all these things. Follow me. Please like and subscribe. So you look at the ingredients. You see what is this? What is this? Look at all these good creams, quality creams. You see how the ingredients is even more than 20. You see all this whitening, anti-whitening said they will carry 5 ingredients put there, because they don't leave out all the other one where we use complements. They left out the other bad ingredients that would use to implicate themselves, like mercury, like hydroquinone. They left all those ones out. They'll now come and put just glycerin, this carrot, and they will say that is not all. If you know that you are looking at a shiny lotion and the label is not comprehensive, there's a problem with that lotion. There's a problem. That's a red flag. Don't use those kind of lotion. Also take note of the smell of a lotion. If you notice all those strong whitening cream, they have strong smell, take note of that. I'm not saying you should abstain from whitening creams. I'm just saying before you use any whitening cream, make sure you are knowledgeable. Sometimes that's why I say you should get creams like this Nivea. You pour it in your hand, mix it with a whitening cream. People don't know how to do something. You carry whitening cream concentrated, put in this your fine skin. You mix it. Oh, okay, today, Monday, Tuesday, I will use this whitening cream. Where is it Friday? I will change. You know, your skin will look brighter and also look better. There's some organic cream that are also good as well. There's some that are bad. So let's be careful in whatever we put on our skin. This is Mel's Beauty. Thank you for supporting me. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you want me to talk about. And let me know the bad experiences you've had from whitening cream. Let us learn together in the comment section. Bye.